In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable browser push notifications. So if you notice that a lot of websites when you're browsing on Google Chrome ask if you want to show notifications for the site, I'm going to show you guys how to just turn that off so you won't see them in the future. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is open up the Google Chrome web browser if it's not already open. So once it's open, we're going to go into the settings window within the Google Chrome browser. So it should be a 3 vertical dotted icon. So just go ahead and left click on that and then go down and left click on settings. Scroll down to the bottom of this list where it says advanced and left click on that one time. You want to scroll down again until you get to notifications. You want to go underneath the privacy and security section, should be near the top right after you click on advanced, and you want to look for something that says content settings. Control what information websites can use and what content they can show you. Left click on that. And now you want to look for something that says notifications. It might say ask before sending recommended. So if you just want to just turn this off and just toggle that to the off position by clicking on the little oval, that means it just will be blocked. It won't actually prompt you anymore. And if you want to just turn off specific sites, so if you already had some sites allowed, you could just go ahead in this allowed button, as well as going ahead and blocking certain sites. So you want to click on add to block. You could block sites from sending you notifications. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Again, if you want to just turn it off completely, just toggle this to the off position, send this oval, just click it one time, it should become gray. Close out of here, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.